It's a little windy out here. Not much, about 7 miles per hour. Maybe gusting a little more than that at times. Drums to roses. Oh, they're pulling on me. What's out here? Look at, we got some more buds coming up here. You guys seen something that I didn't see? Well, while we're walking down here, I'll show up my little tomatoes. Yeah, I picked some cherry tomatoes today. Oh, I gotta get that fixed up. This cherry tomato plant here, grape tomato plant here. I done that from seed. I'm trying to show my garden off, sweetie.